everyone, I'm here today to tell you about some lipsticks that I am just so excited about. And right now in my area, Belk is doing a gift with purchase for Clinique. And when I walked in and found that out, I just couldn't resist. I am a sucker for gift with purchase. If there's a gift with purchase, I have to buy something. I have to try it out. And so when I found out that they were doing that, I knew that I wanted to get a lipstick. And I have been on this lip kick right now where I just want to try everything, out there when it comes to lipsticks or lip glosses. And so I started looking at their lipsticks, and I noticed that they have a line out called Buttershines. And that is exactly what I purchased, was their Buttershine lipstick. And let me tell you, it is exactly like the name. It goes on like butter. It feels so soft and so creamy, but it has a little bit of gloss to it. And I'm going to show you right now. This is the packaging, by the way, guys. Look at how cute these are. They're little silvery tubes, and they kind of have like a swirl around them. And the first color I got was in Adore. Now, this color is kind of like a nudie, mauve-y kind of color. And I'm just going to show you. Whoops. A little bit too much. I think I got a little swatch happy on there. But as you can see, I don't know if you can, but it has like a gloss to it. Now, I put quite a bit on. Didn't mean to put that much on, but that kind of has like a creamy gloss to it, as you can see. And it goes on kind of like a pinkish kind of nude color. And I love it. Guys, if you are the type of person who you like a lipstick, but you don't like a real heavy lipstick, you like it to be kind of glossy or, have some like nude kind of, cream feel to it, then I highly recommend this color in Adore, and I highly recommend this lipstick. And the second one I got is a little bit more pinky, and I'm going to have lipstick all over my hands. I put way too much, but this one is in Pink Beach, and has a little bit more pink to it, and I don't know if you can see, but it is the second one, and it also, you get the same kind of glossy shine to it, but it has a little bit more pink to it, where the other one is a little bit more of that kind of mauve nude color. Now, these lipsticks, I believe, run around like $14.50. I'm not positive on that, so don't quote me. But I believe that is close to the price. And so far, I love them. When they go on, they feel so smooth and so creamy. And the closest thing that I can recommend, to them being close to is the Palladio lip balms. And to me, the reason why they remind me a lot of that is because you know how in those, or a lip balm that has color to them, when you put them on, it doesn't feel like a lipstick. You get that smooth, creamy kind of feel, but then after, you wear them, you get some color to them. That is what these are like, but these have more pigment. They have the pigment of a lipstick, but the feel of a lip balm. And I have just been so impressed. Now, they're not a long-wearing lipstick, so if you're in the market for that, I'm not, saying that that's what these are. But for what they claim, they do last a really long time. To be creamy, I would say they would last probably, an hour or so, when you put them on. They do, you don't feel like you have to instantly reapply after you just put it on. And with the lipsticks, I got a gift with purchase. And you get a cute little ring there that comes on it that I just love. I think it makes the bag. And in the bag, I got some really exciting things. I got the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And I have tried the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and I love it because I use their 3-step skincare regimen. And I don't really prefer the lotion just because I have acne-prone skin, but I will keep it in my drawer because you never know when you have those dry days or a dry patch, you can, use it. But I typically go for more of the gel. The next thing that came in it is a lipstick. Now this is just so cool. It has got a lip gloss on one end and a lipstick on the other. And I think these are new from Clinique. I think this is a new part of their line. And the color is in Fire Berry. And as you can see, it's kind of like a purpley color, fuchsia purple. It's not a color that I would have chosen for me, but, you know, it's neat, and I can always give it to my mom. It was free, but it is so neat because it is, you know, a good size. This is a full-size kind of deal, so. The next one that I got is a Clinique Rinse Off Makeup Eye Remover. Now, I've tried the purple eye makeup remover that they make, and this one's a little bit different because when you put it on, it says that you need to rinse it off. So, I've only used this one time, but I've been, you know, fairly impressed with it so far. So, that's always nice to have a little extra one in your drawer. And I believe the last thing that came in my kit, oh no, I have one more. I'll save it for last, save the best for last. But the next thing is the Clinique Moisture Surge. And it looks kind of like a gel, but it goes on as a moisturizer. And it says that you can use it as a mask. So if you have a dry spot or something that you're trying to bring moisture back into, you can use it as a mask and put it on for a few minutes and then rinse it off. You can also use it as a part of your daily skincare regimen. For me, it's a little bit too heavy. With me having the acne-prone, you know, combination oily skin, it is a little bit too heavy to use every day, but I actually really enjoy it for like a mask or, you know, in the winter when I'm going to have drier skin. So I'm going to keep this kind of in my drawer and play around with it because I definitely always need an extra backup moisturizer for those dry days. Now, my last one I'm so excited to tell you about, and that was probably my most shocked and favorite product that came with my gift, and it is a mascara. It is the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and let me tell you, when I was reading the little description and I saw that it was volumizing, I was so excited because if you've watched my video from the products I regret buying, the Rimmel mascara was in it, and I have been on the search for a new mascara ever since. And some other gurus here on YouTube suggested that I try the L'Oreal Voluminous, and I'm actually going to purchase that one. I've heard a lot of great things about it, and it seems like I have used that like years ago, and I remember liking it, and for whatever reason, I haven't purchased it since then, but so far, I also really like this Clinique High Impact as well. I do get a lot of volume. So far, I haven't got any transfer. And when it goes on kind of glossy. Let me show you the brush. The brush is not like super big, but it does have a lot of like really small, close together bristles. So you do get a very good like oomph when you put it on your lashes. You get a good lift. And so far, so good. I haven't used it, you know, a whole lot to give you a full review, but so far I like it. So I'm so excited about my lipsticks, guys, and I highly recommend all of you just go out and try them out. You know, go to your Clinique counter. Most people are very willing to let you test the colors out on your own because I know sometimes here on camera, they come off different. Like when I show you a swatch, it may appear to be more pink or more bright than it actually is in person. So go and try the colors out. You know, I think you'll really like them. And if there are any of you out there that have tried these and have tried other colors, let me know what you like. Let me know if there's any that you think that I should try out. I'm kind of in the market for a corally kind of lipstick right now. I'm looking for one that has more of like a peach tone to it because I have a lot of nudes and bronzy kind of colors. So I'm looking for something a little outside the box. So if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. And I am so glad that you guys are watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.